Hi, I'm Steven from Snow Joe, and today I want to do a quick demonstration to show you how easy it is to put together your Snow Joe SJM988, better known as the Snow Joe Max. It's a 13.5 amp motor and it's got an 18-inch clearing deck. It also can move up to 650 pounds of snow per minute. Let's open the box. I've taken the unit out of the box. I removed the plastic covering that was on the handle. I also removed the 2 zip ties that was holding the crankshaft in place. There was also a plastic bag that had our yellow registration card and our 3 owner's manual. Now the yellow registration card can either be mailed in or you can go online to begin your registration. If you have any questions about what I'm covering in the video, you can always refer to your owner's manuals, which are in English, French, and Spanish for your convenience. Now, the most important part about this setup is that you'll notice there are no tools required. It's really quick and easy. To set up your unit, all we're going to do is, step 1 is we're going to extend our handle into place, and then all we're going to do is tighten the 4 knobs, just like this. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the next step is to attach the arm that controls our discharge chute. So what we'll do is we'll remove this screw that's on this joint connector. Then we'll take the arm and we'll put it through this little hole up here at the top. Put it into the joint connector and line up the screw with the hole, and then just simply tighten it into place. You want to make sure that that goes all the way through so it doesn't come out while you're using the system. Okay, and then the final step is just to basically open up the controller for your snow discharge. It simply pops up into place like that, and then what you're going to do is tighten this screw that's right here. And that's it. Your unit is completely assembled and ready to start using. Let's take a minute to review how to operate your SJM988. To start the unit, all you're going to do is push the safety button in and then pull back on the trigger. Okay? Once you start the unit, you don't have to hold the safety button. So again, to start the unit, all you do is push in, pull back, release to stop it. Now, when you're using the snow thrower, if you want to change the direction of where the snow is being thrown, all you'll do is crank the discharge chute counterclockwise if you want to go to the right, and clockwise if you want it to go to the left. Now, if you'd like the angle at which the snow is being thrown to be higher or lower, you'll do that with the top of the discharge chute. If you push it down, that'll make it go lower, and if you pull it up, that'll make it go higher. One last feature about the SJM988 is that it comes with a 20-watt halogen lamp. To turn it on, all you'll do is you'll use this button in the back. If you move it over to the left side, that's the on position. Again, the lamp will only work, obviously, when the unit is on. To start it, push the safety button in, pull the trigger, release, and it shuts off. I hope you've enjoyed this instructional video. Thank you for choosing Snow Joe.